Okay, so to practice using make code, which is the language that you'll use to learn how to program the microbit, I want you to click into this link here. Now this takes you to the Microbit homepage, and it gives you a load of tutorials where you can start different projects. So you can see here, these are some of the tutorials that you could do. So I'm going to start with the flashing heart. All right, so you start the tutorial. It gives us instructions up here. So we need to make this little flashing heart like this. Okay, so what you need to do is read this instruction. So place the show LED block in the forever block and draw a heart. Okay, so I need to go into basics, show LED, and I need to draw a heart. So I'm just going to check and see what the heart looks like by hovering over the picture here. Okay, so something like this. So let's click on the next. I'll click on to the next slide in the tutorial. Place another show LED block. You can leave it blank and draw what you want. Right. Okay. So I'm just going to zoom down here. I'm just going to draw something like this. Okay, now click on to the next one. Look at the virtual microbit. You should see the heart and your drawing blink on the screen. Right. Okay, so you can see this is what I've drawn here blinking on the screen. If you have a microbit, you can download it and transfer your code and watch the hearts flash. Now, we don't have microbits at the moment. If anybody does, then that's great. But at the moment, I just want you to work through some of these tutorials and learn how to use microbit coding software.